I feel very angry, and I have when I feel angry, I don't have anything to say. I will be stuck. So, but I was one of the first elected members in the new Ethiopian in 1991. Then I became regional minister of planning. I worked for 3 years. I was arrested. After 5 years, I was released by Amnesty International. I come here as a refugee. I am sharing with you here now the plight of all Ethiopians has been for years, not only the last 25 years, it has been for thousands of years. But for the last 25 years, I witnessed it. All human rights groups witnessed it, that it was the worst regime in the whole world. You can see that statement in many parts of human rights groups' statements. I will particularly share with you what happened in Ogaden, and I'm sure it's the same in Oromo, in Afar, in Amara, in every part of the region. Hundreds of districts of small villages were destroyed, burned. Thousands of people were detained and killed. There has been curfew for the last 25 years. The martial law that the government announced nowadays was officially announced in the Ogaden for the last 50 years. No one would have traveled at night, and there has been curfew. There has been blockade, economic blockade. There has been so many detentions that you can't imagine, and that we share with all other Ethiopians. I'm here to denounce what is going on in Ethiopia by the very small region, Tigray people, which is only 3 million out of 100 million. If we all unite and speak in one voice everywhere we are, we can win. And what we want to do today is we have to tell the government to stop funding the Ethiopian regime, the TPLF regime. That's what we all have to convey. We elect our people, we pay taxi. Why we are paying taxi? That is, somebody was saying earlier that it is Canada funds the second greatest funding government is Ethiopia. The first is maybe Afghanistan. It is true. Why we are paying the tax that we are being killed? It's the Western governments that are funding, and we have to oppose that. We have to have one voice down TPLF, down that regime,